question on the board. A box of mass 40 kg. A box of mass 40 kg is being dragged along the floor by a rope inclined at 60 degrees to the horizontal. The frictional force between the box and the floor is 100 Newton and the tension in the rope is 300 Newton. How much work is done in dragging the box through a distance of 4 meters? So let's write out how do we tackle this JAMB question. How do we tackle it? We are giving that the frictional force, let's use FF for the frictional force as 100 Newton. The tension in the rope, the tension is 300 Newton. Then work done is what we are looking for. If we have all these parameters, remember that work is equal to force times the distance. The distance x is giving us 4 meters. How do we get the force, and which force are we to calculate? The forward dragging force. We need to get the forward dragging force. The forward dragging force. So let's draw out this. This is the tension T. We need to get the horizontal component of this tension. Remember, here is 60 degrees. If we want to resolve this force to the horizontal, we are going to use that cos is adjacent over hypotenuse. So we can say that cos 60 is equal to adjacent, that's the horizontal component of the tension, adjacent over the hypotenuse. So that Tx will be T cos 60. So for us to get this force F, this force, the forward dragging force, will be equal to the tension minus the frictional force. So the tension from here is T cos 60 minus the frictional force is giving us 100. So T now, the tension is giving us 300 cos 60 minus 100. That will give us cos 60 is half over 300, 150 minus 100. At the end, we have the force as 50 Newton. So now that we have gotten the force, work done will be force times the distance. So the final answer, work done, is going to be the force 50 times the distance force. So the final answer will be 200 joules. This is the second question. A body is under the action of a force F such that the force displacement graph of the body is semicircle as shown. Is a semicircle with radius 12 and diameter 24. The work done on the body by the force in moving through 24 meters. We are looking for the work done. Is to solve this problem, just note that work done is equal to area under cover. That is how you get the work done. That means you're finding the area of this semicircle. The work done is the area under this cover. So area of this semicircle is pi r squared over 2. Remember, area of a circle is pi r square. Because it's a semicircle, we are using pi r square over 2. We have pi times r is 12 times r is 12. That's 12 squared, then times 1 over 2. 2 here is 1. 2 here is 6. 6 times 12. Our final answer is going to be 72 pi in joules. So the correct answer will be option B, 72 pi joules.